Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you don't know me, hi, I'm Tita. I'm so happy you're here. I'm so beyond happy to be doing this video for you guys, and I don't know, I love being here. So subscribe to my channel if you want to join the family and my journey so we can create this beautiful and kind community. Grab your coffee, grab your latte, because today is the first episode of the Latte Talks. Hi! Welcome to my latte talks. Called the latte talk just because I love to make my own lattes, and just something that feels so cozy and makes you feel at home. And I feel like there's no better name to associate these segment where I talk about things that you ask me or things that you just want me to talk about. And this is the first episode of my latte talks. And yeah, I'm very excited. So because it is the first one, I'm just going to share my favorites from last month and also do a little Q&A so you can get to know me a little bit better, so you can be a part of the next latte talks. I want to do at least once a month, and I also want to start upload weekly here, so comment down below some video ideas. First of all, it is the first day that I'm wearing makeup after my eye surgery, and I'm so happy. I feel like I'm so excited and happy to just be filming this video that I can't stop smiling, and I feel like I'm just going to, you know, stumble on my words. But I'm just so excited to be here, and I'm excited for you to be here. So let's start this video. We are just going to jump right into my February favorites. So the first topic is about beauty and like self-care, and I'm just going to share some products that I just find to be a must-have on my daily routine. So I know that I said that this was my first time wearing makeup after my surgery, but two products that I can't get enough are these two. So first of all is this Joyful Holiday Enchanted Duo Blush from 𝒂𝒂𝒕𝒕𝒆, and it's just amazing. I love it so much, and the fact that I can do like the blush that you can naturally do with it, but I also can just use it as eyeshadow. I love it. It's very light on my skin. It just gives me that sun-kissed but brownish effect, and I love it so much. And it was also very affordable, so I love this one. It's on the shade Gingerbread Biscuit. I feel like that's the shade, and I love it so much, and it is an essential. Then I also bought from 𝒂𝒂𝒕𝒆 because, hear me out, I don't wear makeup very often, or at least I'm not into makeup, so I don't know like type of products that I should use, how to do like a proper full face glam, and I'm starting to. So I just went on 𝒂𝒂𝒕𝒆, and I needed some things from my friend's wedding, and I needed waterproof mascara, so that's what I got. This is from 𝒂𝒂𝒕𝒆 as well, and it's the Standout Volume Waterproof Mascara. And this one, you guys, I already have like big eyelashes, but this is a lifesaver, and I love it so much, and it's also very affordable, so I highly recommend. Then the last product that I'm just going to advise you on is just these products. This is the Spray Hair Conditioner Express. I love it so much. This is the second bottle that I have. I just see a lot of changes in my hair. This is a must on my hair routine, and I highly recommend. Also was on sale, so. Then it comes the like fashion part. I'm just going to do also another disclaimer. In terms of fashion, I understand zero. So I want to just improve my fashion game, and so comment down below some creators that I can follow in order to improve my style. But this is a piece that I've been loving so much. It's from Zara. It just has a lot of stripes. It's very cozy. It's kind of like oversized as well. And I don't know, it's just a sweater that I think it's a must on my wardrobe, and so I just wanted to share. I don't know if they have it available yet or not, but I'm going to link it down below if I can find it. And I love it so much. I highly recommend. And it's very, I don't know, very comfortable, and I love comfy like outfits, so highly recommend. In terms of knowledge, lately I've been loving the Club Life design courses. I don't know if you know this, but on my main channel I talk a lot about social media, content creation and design, and I try to just give a lot of value to my community. And I've been loving to do the Club Life Design Power of Instagram course, it is very useful if you want to, you know, be on top of everything that's happening with Instagram, and also because it's so well drawn that you can, you know, from the start till you finished, you have these, I don't know, very detailed view of everything that you can do with Instagram and how you can earn money, how you should do your bio, how you should do your captions. Every single thing is in there and I love it so much. So I'll definitely link down below if you want to be a part of the Club Life Design community. But yeah, that's in terms of knowledge, one thing that I cannot live without and that I've been loving to do the past month. Then for the book section, I'm actually been reading the book that I said I was going to read next, which is Atomic Habits. This is a book by James Clear, and this is one book that I highly recommend, especially in new beginnings. If you want to get more motivated, if you want to know more about how you should start an habit, or I don't know, how you can improve your life, this is such a great book. I haven't finished it though, so definitely we'll do a more in-depth review once I finish. I just want to say that yes, I wanted to read a lot of books and more books, but because of my eye surgery, I just had to stop and take it slow. And so I'm still reading this book and I'm so excited and happy about how the reading is coming. I don't know, I've just been loving it. I feel like it's a book that I want to inspire the future video on, because it is important not to make just good habits, but to create a whole system. And that's one thing that I want to do with you on this channel, is just to create a system and not just good habits. So yay. The favorite movie that I watched the last month was actually Puss in Boots: The Last Wish. And I don't know if you've seen it or not, but it just surprised me so much. And I don't know, having all the anxiety portrayed there, I feel like it was such a great movie. I don't want to spoil anything if you haven't watched it, but if you haven't, please watch it. It's such an important movie. And the thing that I conclude about like the whole thing is that Disney did not have to do like a perfect animated movie related to the Puss in Boots, but yet they did. And it's such a great movie, highly recommend. I don't know if I'm getting my point across, but I highly recommend it and you should watch it, definitely. I feel like that concludes my favorites for February. Let me know down below some more things that I can include in future videos, but for now I think that's it. Now let's move on to the Q&A part. So for the Q&A, I just want to present myself. Hi, I'm Tita. My actual name is Patricia and I'm 23 years old. I'm from Portugal, Lisbon, and welcome to my online space. Why am I so excited to be recording this? Like, another question that a bunch of you asked is, what am I studying? I feel people get confused because I've been doing YouTube for so long. You kind of saw a lot of my life here online. So I had my bachelor degree on global design and now I'm finishing my master's on design and advertisement. It has been such a journey. I loved it, and I actually took a gap year from the bachelor degree till the master, just focused on work and actually discovering what I really wanted to do with my life. Oh my god, this next one. What are my thoughts on social media toxicity? Oh my god, I'm sorry. Sometimes I just get all... So my thoughts on these is actually that social media is as toxic as you allowed it to be. I don't know if that makes any sense, but me, that I work with social media daily, if I thought that social media was that toxic, I just couldn't do it. The way that I see is that yes, social media can be toxic, but the thing is, how can you just put that aside and try to have a healthier relationship with social media? Use social media as a tool for inspiration and not a tool for you to just compare yourself to others. What are my goals? Oh my god. So I have so many goals and I feel like I'm just a goal person in general, if that makes any sense. But yeah, basically I love to set some goals, but the disappointment after my goals. My goal right now is just to have my dream life. Honestly, I'm fighting every single day to do this. So I love YouTube, and one of my goals here is just to grow this channel with a beautiful, kind community that I love so much. That's my end goal here with YouTube, is just to share my journey and other people sharing theirs. And yeah, but in life in general is just to have my dream life, honestly, and fighting for it every single day. what are you most excited about the future? This is the last question, guys. Comment down below more questions for future videos, of course. So what am I most excited about for the future? I don't know. I think I'm just excited for the future Tita, where she's a mom, she has a stable job, she's just happy doing YouTube as well. I feel like you could take away all the social media, but do not take YouTube from me. I love YouTube. I don't know, I'm just excited about life in general in the future. I don't know how to answer this question. I feel that I'm just excited to see myself in the future, to see if I succeeded, if I didn't, and if I'm still fighting for my dreams, if I'm still that person that has a lot of goals and that is just excited about life. I'm just excited to see if I'm still fighting for my dream life, or if I have my dream life, or I don't know. I just am excited about the future in general, and I have a feeling that we are going to do great things, and that's why I'm fighting for every single day for my dream life. It's just because I truly believe that it will happen, and if I don't have that motivation, everything would just... Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Hey guys, I feel like that was today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Comment down below some more ideas for future videos, and comment down below some more questions for future latte talks. I love you so much. Thank you for watching. I shall see you next week. Stay creative and stay happy. Bye.